Hello students, let's start the poem A Roadside Stand. In the poem A Roadside Stand, Frost presents the lives of poor people with pitiless clarity and with the deepest sympathy and humanity, as discussed in the introduction of the poem. Now, line by line, we will discuss the poem. First line, the opening line. The little old house was out with a little new shed. Old house here, a roadside stand. And a roadside stand here personified. In the opening lines of the poem A Roadside Stand, the poet describes the picture of a little old house with a little new shed. New shed means that little old house is renovated by a new shed. In front at the edge of the road means by the side of the road. The shed is situated by the side of the road where traffic passed smoothly and speedily. Where the traffic sped means where the moving cars are passing speedily. Although the shed has a poor look due to poor financial conditions of the owner, yet the owner has tried to give a fresh look by its renovation. The little old house was out with a little new shed in front at the edge of the road where the traffic sped. Owner is poor rural man, poor villager who has established the roadside stand by the road where the cars are passing speedily. What's the purpose of establishing that roadside stand? What's the purpose of the renovation? A roadside stand that too pathetically pled. Pathetically means desperately. Pled means request. A great request, a humble request done by roadside stand. Why? To get a little money from the city people. Not because of charity or donation, but by offering their belongings and goods to them. The shed is to earn, the purpose of setting the shed is to earn a little city money. Why? To expand their living style. It would not be fair to say for a dole of bread. Dole of bread means making both ends meet or getting 2 square meals. It would not be fair means it should not be said that this roadside stand is established due to getting 2 square meals. Already they are farmer and fields are able to provide them 3 times meal. But villagers want to expand their living style, want to be little prosperous. So they have established that stand to get a little money from city people. But for some of the money, the cash, they want to get from city people the cash by offering them the goods to them. Whose flow spots the flower of cities from sinking and withering faint? It, but for some, it seems that a roadside stand is established to request to the passers-by to stop for a while and purchase some goods for them in order to help the villagers. However, they do not expect any kind of donation or charity. Just what they want, just they want their stuff or vegetables or goods which they offer to be purchased. By that money, the villagers would expand their style or they would live a better and prosperous life. Here, the owner, the rural people, wants city cash, the cash. They want city cash, city money. Whose flow sports the flower of city? But that city money which are used for the advancement and scientific progress by the city people. And with that city money, they would be of that city money, they would use greatly. But the polished traffic passed with a mind ahead. But what happened? Would they get the city money? No. Polished traffic means the cars, the shining cars, the luxurious cars passed with a mind ahead. They passes speedily with a mind ahead. Means the city dwellers do not care to stop at the roadside stand. Shining cars without caring for their needs passes away. As we know, man is too self-centered and engrossed in his own thoughts, having no time to think about others or to pay any attention to the poor rustics. In the same way, they have passed without paying any attention over the city, over the news shed or over the roadside stand, which was established for them in order to get money from them. Now let's discuss poetic devices of this stanza. From the little shed to till mind ahead. Here in third line, pathetically pled, as per sound is repeated, twice, alliteration in pathetically pled. And next, a roadside stand. Who pled? Roadside stand. Here roadside stand is personified because request done by roadside stand. So roadside stand act as human being. Pathetically pled, alliteration, roadside stand, personification. And next is metaphor, the flowers of cities. Flowers of cities here stand for industrialization and scientific progress, directly compared to industries and scientific progress. And last, in the last line, the polished traffic. In a polished traffic, it is a transferred epithet. Transferred epithet is when epithet means adjective. When an adjective is transferred to the wrong noun, as suppose restless night. Here restless is applied to the night. However, restless is never applied to the night. Restless mind. And same polished traffic, polished for people, for posh people, polished for speech, and here it is applied to traffic. So it is transferred epithet. Next stanza we will discuss in next video.